how to use Snapchat Group Stories feature. To use the Snapchat Group Stories feature, first of all, go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then swipe towards right from your camera view to access the chat feed. From here, you simply have to open any of the group chat name to open the conversation itself. Once you open it, tap on the group profile icon on the top left corner of the chat screen, then scroll down to the stories section, then tap the add story. From there, you can simply take a snap or select the group's name from the send to page, and there you go. This is how you can use the Snapchat's group stories feature. Or what you can also do is create a standalone shared story. You simply have to tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner. From here, scroll down to the My Story section. You will find the new shared story option over here. Go ahead and tap on this new snap. From here, you simply have to proceed to create your story. Then you'll find this My Story option. Go ahead and then tap on this, and there you go. This is how you can create group stories on Snapchat. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.